quarantine baking with Mark and James. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos, epic quarantine videos, every single week. This week, I wanted to make a banana bread because my friend Carrie made some and it was a total failure. Sorry, Carrie. No, I'm sorry. It was a recipe you gave her though. It was a recipe I gave her, but listen, we all know that I'm not a baker. I am a cake designer, okay? Designer darling.
He's not a baker.
No, I'm not. I'm really not. He is. He's really good at baking, which is why I have him here for y'all entertainment, okay? So I wanted to recreate my BFF Anna Olsen's recipe. You know, I've met her once. Here's the picture. Yeah, so I met her once, and in my head, we're BFFs, and we go for coffee, and we have a cooking show together called, like, Mark and Anna, oh yum yum. No, we don't talk. But she was really nice.
Get some in your teeth.
Sorry.
Wash your hands.
So today we're going to be following Anna Olsen's recipe to make chocolate chip banana bread. Let's do it! You gotta say it with me.
Let's do it!
No, again. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it! So when most people make banana bread, they usually use fresh yellow bananas, but James likes to use these frozen, sorry, that's our dog. Remember, we're in quarantine, so we have the dog here, the cat's in heat. It's a farm, it's a fucking farm, so just bear with us. Anyway, James likes to use these old rotten bananas, which, you know, are sweeter.
You put them in the freezer when you know you're not gonna eat them. Get down!
And it's perfect for quarantine because you know you have all that like leftover food and shit, so just throw it in the freezer and then you can use it later. Perfect. So to get started, I'm gonna let James take it away.
I'm not talking, I'm just...
What do you mean you're not talking? You have to tell them what you're doing.
Well, let them know how much I'm putting in.
So we're gonna start with 3
large bananas.
Large bananas.
The recipe calls for how much?
3 to 4 bananas.
It says cups or whatever.
We're starting out with 3 gross brown bananas, or 1 3/4 cups. Ew, that's so gross.
I know. You can mush them up any old way you want, but I like to do it by hand, and so does Mark's best friend Anna Olsen.
So we're following everything that she does.
Except for we didn't use the yellow bananas. We used mushy, nasty bananas that no one else would eat.
But they're the best to use because they're sweet. Like myself. Okay, that's mushed up enough.
Okay. So now we're gonna move on to our butter. It's 6 tablespoons of butter, which is roughly around 1/3 of a cup. But the recipe, if you want to go by grams, is about 90 grams.
I'm helping.
Now that we have our butter incorporated into our banana mixture, we're going to add in some
vanilla.
And how much vanilla, Mark?
Just a tablespoon.
Wait.
What? It's a tablespoon.
How much is the recipe?
Oh. It's a teaspoon. I told y'all I don't bake. I don't bake. There's a teaspoon.
Yellow.
But I mean, a little extra vanilla. Why not?
Oh my god, you're so messy.
A little bit on the counter. Let's not have a hissy fit, ladies. So next, we're going to be putting a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar and then a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar into the mixture.
Now, Mark, what do I tell you always when you're baking?
Level things out.
Yes. Because in baking, you have to be precise. No substitutions.
See, in cake decorating, you don't. You can just do whatever you want because you can change up the design. Light brown sugar.
Light brown sugar, we have golden yellow sugar because that's all we got right now.
Wouldn't that be light?
I don't know, it says golden. I ain't a professional. I'm more professional than you, but I ain't no professional. There you go. In place. And then you gotta add your egg in.
I'm just recreating how it came out of the chicken. 1 egg we're adding into the mixture.
Now we're gonna incorporate our dry.
Again, because your head was turned.
Oh my god.
And look at the camera.
So now we're gonna incorporate our dry ingredients.
What are you doing? What is this?
This is a sifter. So we're gonna sift all of our dry ingredients
Why?
to make it nice and I don't know why you sift stuff. You just sift it.
So you sift it so that it's not chunky in the mixture. So you don't get those little poofs of like flour. Right?
Ooh.
Yeah,
You're such a professional.
I know my shit. I'm a motherfucking professional, remember? So we're gonna be putting 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into this mixture, into our sifter. No, I'm not sponsored by Robin Hood Flour, but I mean, hit me up if you want a sponsor! Is that packed enough for you?
That's alright. So that's 1 cup.
1 cup. And then a 1/2 cup.
Yeah. That's good.
Okay. Next we're putting in 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
And it is a teaspoon, right, Mark?
This is a teaspoon, yes. What does baking soda do? Because like we just keep it in our fridge to like collect smells. So why does that have anything to do?
You should have a separate one for baking, which we do have another one of.
Yes.
It also makes the air go through it.
Light and airy? Oh yeah, that's right. It makes like little bubbles and stuff. See, I'm just a cake decorator. And then we're going to be doing a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And no, we're not sponsored by Sifto. But I mean, hit me up, right? We out of work right now, so we need money. Sifto. It won't go through those things.
It will.
Oh, it went through. So next you're going to use a spatula to mix together all of those ingredients. How do you feel about the quarantine?
I get to spend so much more time with you.
You're welcome. I'm sure all these lovely ladies out there watching and like the 3 guys that are watching would love to spend some time with you. Right, ladies? Ladies? You better say yes. So next we're going to add in a cup of chocolate chips. I have here a mixture of chocolate chunk and chocolate chips. How about a heaping cup?
That's not a heaping cup, but go ahead. Calm down. Calm down. You're being extra.
Me extra? No. Yes! Look at that! We should probably also mention that we preheated our oven to 350. So yeah, sorry we forgot. We have a meatloaf pan that's been well used.
It's called a loaf pan.
Meatloaf. Meatloaf. Bad out of hell. And then we have some Pam, also not sponsored, but again, hit me up.
Grease it good.
I am greasing it good. There. Look, he's just making his way over. He's pushing me out of the frame.
Well,
this
come on.
is like, it's his show now. He's just taking over. Oh my god.
Don't worry.
It's no longer Epic Confections, it's James's cooking channel. So we're gonna stick this into the oven for 75 minutes. I know it's a long time to wait, especially with the smell. It's gonna be amazing, but it will be worth it.
In the meantime, you can watch some Netflix.
No, in the meantime, they can watch other videos of Epic Confections.
Or Netflix.
So we just pulled the banana bread out of the oven. It smells amazing. Yes, it's nice and golden brown. I can't wait to eat this. so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic quarantine videos every single week. James and I are going to try to make a video every second day for y'all's enter-taint-ment. So you guys have something to watch while you're in quarantine. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay corona-free. Love you.
Stop saying that.
Mwah.